Hi there. Today I'm going to explain what dropshipping is in a very simple way. If you want to start an online business with low money, this might be perfect for you. So, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online, but you don't keep them in your home or warehouse. You don't buy the product until someone places an order. That means no stock, no big investment, and no need to worry about packaging or delivery. Let me explain how it works, step by step. Step 1. You create your online store. This can be done using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even a Facebook page. Step 2. You find products from a supplier. You add those products to your store, but remember, you don't buy them yet. Step 3. A customer visits your store and places an order. For example, they buy a phone cover for $15. Step 4. You now go to the supplier's website and buy that same product for $7. You give the supplier the customer's address. Step 5. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You never touch the product yourself. You keep the difference as profit. In this case, you made $8. Easy, right? Now, why do people like dropshipping? Because you don't need to spend a lot of money to start. You don't need to buy products in bulk. You don't need a warehouse. You can run your business from your laptop, even from your home. But wait, there are also challenges. You need to find trustworthy suppliers so your customers don't get low quality or late products. You also need to learn online marketing to bring traffic to your store. Also, there's a lot of competition, so you need to make your store and products stand out. To succeed in dropshipping, you need to choose a good niche, offer great customer service, keep learning and improving. So that's dropshipping. In the next video, I'll share the 3 most common dropshipping methods and which one might be best for you. Make sure to like and follow for more helpful tips. Dropshipping is an online business model. You sell products without keeping them in stock. That means no warehouse, no inventory. You only buy the product after a customer places an order. Here's how it works step by step. 1. You create an online store. 2. You list products from a supplier on your store. 3. A customer places an order on your website. 4. You forward the order to the supplier. 5. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You don't touch the product at all. Let's say a product costs $10 from the supplier. You sell it for $20 on your store. When someone buys it, you pay the supplier $10 and keep $10 as your profit. Why do people love dropshipping? No need to buy stock. Start with a low budget. Work from anywhere. But yes, it also has challenges like high competition and finding good suppliers. So that's dropshipping in a nutshell. In the next video, I'll show you different dropshipping methods. Like and follow to learn more.